am Jolynn Holiday of Above and Beyond Mentoring, and this little video is about how to make a decision. Now, I'll be totally honest with you. I have a terrible time making decisions. It's really hard for me, even the littlest thing. So here's a little tool that I use. I've really started using this lately, and it helps so much. I want to help y'all with it. So a few weeks ago, it was a Sunday morning, and this idea came to me to go visit Grandma. Let's just do this spontaneous trip to Grandma's house. And, just this idea came. And so I thought, you know what? We've got to make a decision here whether to do this or not. And so I thought, I'll teach my children something at the same time. So I got out a notebook. We wrote on the left side of the notebook. We opened it up, wrote on the left side, we should go to Grandma's right now because, and we wrote all these things like, because it is the last weekend of the summer and we haven't seen Grandma for a while. And, just all those things, the reasons why we thought we should take off and go, just spontaneously. And then on the other side of the notebook, on the right side, we wrote, we shouldn't go to Grandma's today because it'll cost at least $50 in gas, and we honestly don't have 50 extra dollars. And we were having a rough time. My husband had been out of work for a little while too, and budget slim, okay? Budget slim. We also wrote things like, because we'll miss our church service, and I had planned on helping my teen plan his family birthday celebration and so forth. So we wrote out both sides and looked at it, and we decided as much as we wanted to go to Grandma's, we shouldn't do it, especially because of the money. And so, I taught my kids, I like to make this decision that God wants us to study things out in our mind ourselves. He wants us to use the brains that he gave us, right? And our good common sense and the Spirit of Christ and all that to make decisions. And then he wants us to come to them and ask if they're right. Now, we don't have to do that for every little thing, but sometimes, right? Sometimes we need his help, his confirmation. So we knelt down to pray for confirmation of this decision that we should not go to Grandma's. And instead of a confirmation, to my mind came a literal list of ideas, things that we could do so that we could go to Grandma's. Now, that was amazing. The list came so fast and so clear that I got up from my prayer and grabbed a notebook and pen to start writing it down because I didn't want to forget the ideas. And I acted on those ideas, and we went to Grandma's that day, and we were able to do all the things that we needed to do. We were able to get the extra money for the gas and so forth. It was just amazing. So I taught this principle to my kids, and then I thought, you know what? I have such a hard time making decisions. Why am I not doing this all the time? So I don't do that with every single decision, but lately quite a few, and it is totally helping me. I can really think it out. Open the notebook, left side, all the reasons yes, right side, all the reasons no, study it out, make a decision, go to the Lord for confirmation or redirection. It's just so helpful. Anyway, I wanted to share this with y'all because it's been helping me. I'm Jolynn Holiday of Above and Beyond Mentoring with a simple tip on how to make a decision with God as your guide.